Ladies and gentlemen, it's time
for my apartment tour. Finally. Yeah, Leaf is about to attack something, but that's fun.
Apartment tour. Apartment tour.
Let's begin. Okay, so this is the dining room. This is what you see right when you walk in, folks. Please pay no attention to the Amazon box that I haven't put in the recycling, okay? This is realistic, folks. Things aren't always perfect, you know? Here's a little shoe rack and our coat rack. Very important in this city because it gets cold. We're in Chicago. Okay, this is our fun room, we like to call it our fun room, okay? It is technically our second bedroom. That's right. We are, what do they call it? Dual income, no kids. Whatever that is, that's what we are. So we have a 2-bedroom and we just really need the one. So yeah, here it is. We call it our fun room. We do fun stuff in it. That's my little makeup desk. Sometimes I edit there. Leaf goes poopy in here, if you couldn't tell. Poopy pee pee. We've got some very cool posters and decor I will go into later. This is just a quick overview of the apartment, and then later I'll go into the more, nitty gritty, the little items that make up our home. Okay, moving on. Here is the bedroom. A lot of the stuff is the same as Philly, but it's just different space. It's different space, you guys. And the walls aren't gray. Thank God. They are a cream warm color. Our bedroom is definitely much smaller than Philly, but that's okay. Excuse me on my feet there. It's okay. Here's this mirror I got from Amazon it doesn't work. It cuts you in half a little bit. It's a funhouse mirror bed, but yeah, we're fine with the smaller bedroom if it means we have a bigger living space, right? Leaf wants something in that basket. Please excuse my little gimbal that comes up in the right-hand corner sometimes because my phone wasn't really made for this gimbal, so apologies, you guys. Please forgive me. Here's our massive kitchen. It is the largest kitchen I have ever had in my life, from 0 to almost 25. That's right, my birthday's coming up. I expect gifts. Pay no attention to the sink, you guys. Garrett's not here, and he always does all the laundry. Well, he does the laundry too, and he does the dishes. And I'm not quick with it like he is. He's not here. Okay, moving on. Let me give you guys a little sneak peek of the backyard. I'll show you more later, but yeah, we love this place and this kitchen and the deck and this little breakfast nook. Like, what a dream come true. We have a breakfast nook, you guys. Insane. Absolutely insane. Isn't she beautiful? So much storage. In our last apartment, we had 0 drawers in our kitchen, and now we have like 1,000. Here's our bathroom. Also a little small. Only bad part is about... Hi, girl. Small bathroom is we can't put the litter box in here, but that's okay. I put that little paper towel thing up on myself with my own 2 hands. That's right. Here's our shower. We got the cutest little window up there that I really love her. She brings in some extra light. And it's just like a typical chow. You know how it be. Oh my God, she's back. How cute. We like to leave the door open to the bathroom too because it actually makes the house seem bigger to leave it open.
Hi.
Wow, Leaf. That's what you have to say right now? The people are going to cancel you. Here's our massive dining room again, which we love. Okay. Especially because, we don't really have a foyer table. There's a little foyer area. I love that built in, by the way. I don't know if you guys noticed. But we like to just throw our stuff on the dining room table because it's right there. Here's the whole shebang, the living room. The living room, you guys, with those bay windows. I mean, what did I do to deserve these bay windows? I have no idea. Okay, so this is what it's like to sit down and watch TV. Yes, that is what is it? 65-inch TV, something? We got it from Best Buy with no car. I'll tell you guys that. We worked hard for that thing. Also, it was not that expensive, but yeah, we love our massive TV. The ladder shelf, if you guys remember in Philly, like, that's my jam. That's what makes me so happy, that ladder shelf. And here's our little Christmas tree. It's our fake fig tree that we leave up. And our little decor, that was like a sofa table I used to use for my jewelry in our old place in the bedroom. Because, like, honestly, we really needed something to fill the space in the bedroom, but now we put it here. But if I lived here, I would totally build, if I owned this place, I would build a little bench for that bay window. Because, I mean, come on, guys. Who wouldn't? Right? Who wouldn't? There's a little roommate leaf. So this is like a not a technical bedroom, too small to be, but it works for an office, I'll tell you that. It works for an office. Garrett and I sit very close to each other, and we love it because, you know, we're obsessed with each other. It's all good. And this is our little setup in here. It's a little more chaotic in terms of decor, but that's okay. I like it. I only really care about my desk anyway. That's what I'm looking at all day. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah, a little floating... Oh, excuse my yawn. Excuse me. We put this little mirror up, and people are like, what? It's so small. But actually, when you're sitting, it makes sense. You can see yourself when we're sitting. And this is the view from my little yoga mat where I like to work out. That's what I like to use the little bay window space for. Is that... Here we go, folks. Walking through. Tracking shot on Leaf. Leaf was a paid actor. This was a union set. He has his SAG card, you guys. Okay, back to the bedroom. Oh, you know what? Because I forgot to show you the closet. I got 3 closets in this place. I mean... Again, what did I do to deserve it? Don't know. I love that we put that little chair there because that white chair, because Garrett... oh my God, Garrett. Leaf loves it there. He likes to play on it. We got that one for free on the side of the road in Philly, if you recall. And yeah, let's end it with a beautiful view of our street. Okay, now it's time to take you guys outside to the deck. I promised we would come out here, and I kept my word. Okay, this is our little deck, guys. I cannot wait to really decorate it when it gets warm again. But when we moved, like, so much crap happened. And I just didn't have the time or money to really fix it up. But I want a rug out here. I want like a comfy little couch. I love our little bistro set, but I want more. You know, a plant or two, like a big girl. Love the bench. It's actually more comfortable than you guys would think. That's our little wagon too that we bring on grocery trips sometimes. Because we have no car. We don't have no car. Now let's go back inside. Leaf likes to sit at this little window with the red chair. That's why there's a blankie on it. Because he longs for the outdoors. I'm going to tell you guys. There's a leash on the side to take him on walks.
No Leafy.
Fortunately, in the wintertime, it is too cold. If anyone wants to send him a sweater, he's been begging. He said, please give me a sweater. No, no, no. No, no, no. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys more of the little things that we've used to decorate the place. That was like a free thing we got from Connor. Shout out Connor. These chairs were free from my aunt. That was a gift, this little tea towel. I love it so much though.
What?
The kitchen is very red. I like the bright red in the kitchen. And these are some cards and stuff. I used to be anti-fridge stuff, but then I was like, actually it's cute. This is our little chaotic thing. Tampon ad. These are shelves we got thrifting in Philly that we brought over here. And these are book covers. These like art book covers that we pretend like are canvases. Here's my nightstand. It's got like my favorite bookies on it. I'm about to finish Outliers. So good. And I got some photos of Garrett on the side. Love him. Back to the fun room. I'm gonna put on the screen where the posters are from, because like we don't know how to say it, but and that bookshelf, by the way, was from Garrett's mom for free. It's massive, you guys. Okay, here's my desk. It's got my hair stuff, jewelry, makeup, signed poster from Mike Birbiglia. Thank you, Mike. And our little built-in. This is like kind of a fun space too, similar to the fun room where it's like more pops of color and things like that. This is my tea cart. Decorated for Christmas, as you guys can tell, obviously it's Christmas time. And we just got this from Amazon, a little Van Gogh, fake Van Gogh. Or no, Monet. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. It's all good. Here's the living room. I got Garrett that controller. Yeah, I'm a good girlfriend. Wife, you might even say. Okay? Love this little phone I got from my grandparents' house. And that little truck. Where did I buy it? I think Target last year. And my little reindeer. We got 4 Google Homes. Garrett is obsessed with them. They're actually pretty cool. We like to keep flowers. Well, Holly does. But Garrett actually got me those flowers. Just so sweet. And here's my most Christmassy spot. I did do some Christmas on here too. Just some hints, you guys. You know. Our games. There's also a lot of board game stuff here. We've been playing a lot of board games in this house. Let me tell ya. There's my snake plant I always forget about. Diplomas. Honestly, guys, my diploma is so cute. Do you see her on the right? I really love her. That's a gift from Alex Totzer. Shout out Alex. She got that for Garrett. It's part of his favorite video, one of his favorite video games called Outer Wilds. Heard of it? Hope so. Here's some art I've gotten from Instagram and from a local artist in Chicago. Okay, I reserved this part of my desk for my favorite little decoration. And that's my favorite decoration. I got it at Butler's Orchard in Maryland. And here's my desk stuff. My journal, candle, my work computer. That, don't tell on me. I was kind of doing this during work. But I had to wait till it was sunny. And you guys, in Chicago in the winter, the sun be hiding. Right?
Baby.
Okay, last up. You guys can get a close look at my ornaments. Some are from Chicago, some from Butler's, some I got for free. I like the felt ornaments more. I don't know why, I just like them more. There's one of Leaf on the left hand, he's flying. Looks just like him, right? That's basically it, you guys. Tell me if you like this. I love my place so much. Our place. Me, Garrett, and Leaves. And I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.